Welcome back, guys. Bob, your host here. This is a 1960 Corvette convertible. This particular one is burgundy in color. It is a thing of sheer beauty. Now, when this was made, this particular one here that I was just showing, the red one here, this is the, basically they called it a splurge model. This is the one that, one of the ones that was seen in the movie Apollo 13. Now this car in 1960 had 315 horsepower, 11.0 to 1 compression on a 283 cubic inch motor. Excuse the focus, guys. My focus is all messed up. The car itself is just, it was a marvel. There was one of these models, the one I just showed you, the red one, dark burgundy actually, that when it came out it had true fuel injection in 1960, people. That's 51 years ago. Excuse me, 61 years ago. Alright, and there's a little bit of a history about it here. It's a two-door convertible. And it came in tuxedo black, horizon blue, Roman red, which is the one I just showed you, sateen silver, Tasco turquoise, Honduras maroon, ermine white, and cascade green. And a 283 cubic inch V8 fuel injected or carbureted multi-horsepower options available. Transmission was a 3-speed manual standard, 4-speed manual optional, 2-speed power glide optional. Original price. Now look at this, people. Look at this. $3,872. Isn't that awesome? Isn't that something? Now here is a picture of the LT1, which is very similar to the motor in 1960. Look at this beast. Now this is a carbureted model, it's not the fuel injection model. But look at this thing. It's an absolute beauty. Everywhere you look, power. It reeks of power. Now it will not do 200 miles an hour. It does not have 700, 800, 900, 1,000 horsepower. What it does have is class. And I will take class over little boy toy 1,000 horsepower any day. See if they show this thing going down the road here. Apparently not. Anyway, folks, this little baby, here's the 283 right here. This is the 283. Right there. I'm sorry for the non-focus, ladies and gentlemen. My camera isn't very good at it. But there you go. That's the 283. And that little thing right there had 315 horsepower. 315 horsepower 61 years ago. And if you played around with it a little bit, you could actually get 450, and you can see the real true fuel injection. It's not like today. It's not like today. It's built completely different. But this was the concept that they actually got from oh, I can't even think of the name of the car. It's a previous model. They actually thought about putting that 283 245 horsepower on the 5354 model, but at the time they thought it was a little oversized. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that is the 1960 convertible Corvette. And why do I show that one? Well, it's a little special. That one's produced in my birth year. So am I a little biased? Yes, I am. At that, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for coming. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And we will see you tomorrow. God bless all of you.